Hello everyone, hello, welcome back to my channel. So I'll be doing something a little bit new. I'll be approaching this from the comedic side, so therefore going forward now and every week we will be getting something comedic. I want to do like 5 to 10 videos where you can fully enjoy something comedic. You can enjoy yourself, especially on the weekend. So going forward guys, look out for funny videos. My videos will be dropping soon. Alright, so without further ado, enjoy the show guys.
Why do you want to be a boy?
Because we like being boys instead of girls.
Why wouldn't you want to be a girl?
Because your vagina bleeds and we don't like it. We're too nervous. Yeah.
Oh, how many men have you slept with? Only you. The rest didn't let me sleep. I've only slept with you. The rest did not let me sleep. Those ones were beasts. I only slept with you. The rest, they didn't let me sleep at all.
You see your blood clot, proper color, you have your newspaper. You're not no ink in a society. You come in like one big blood clot, that's when the end of one sentence.
Jesus! When did you realize that you were actually a white person trapped in a black person's body?
It's literally since I was born. I've always known it because even when I cried as a baby, I didn't cry loud like an African child. I cried sort of softly and more quiet like a European.
We just got a letter. I wonder who it's from. Looks like it's a letter from our landlord Ahmed. That's right, Blue. Ahmed did try to shut off our heat last winter. Let's see what he has to say. Oh no. It looks like Ahmed is trying to evict us. Oh no. It looks like we're gonna have to go back to selling drugs. Well, Blue, maybe if you pulled your weight around here a little bit more, we'd be able to pay rent. Well, you know, I have student loans, so I can't do everything myself. You keep talking like that, you're gonna get smacked. You're gonna get smacked. I will beat you. Get over here.
Breaking news, April Fool has been cancelled this year because there is no bigger joke than your love life.
Thank you very much for enjoying. Thank you very much for watching. Going forward again, we'll be having more videos on a weekly basis. So until then, thank you very much guys and do enjoy the rest of your day.